AI can write, speak, and think. Almost. We are just few years away until artificial intelligence will be able to generate ideas even for YouTube videos. It will be able to write a full script, generate a voiceover,
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel.
and edit the video all by itself. Will humans be necessary on YouTube in the future at all? Currently we have AI for almost everything. Just think about it. Tesla has AI driving cars with super complicated autonomy algorithms. Furthermore, the Tesla bot was announced just a few weeks ago. Whole platforms are being built on AI. Even a regular customer can go ahead and use artificial intelligence features for free. So why are we so naive and feel so safe on YouTube? Let's deconstruct the video and see what difficulties does AI currently have. Here are main things needed to create a YouTube video. An idea can be described as thought or suggestion as to possible course of action. It's difficult to imagine that a computer can generate an idea. As humans, we think that the brain is necessary for it. However, AI can generate ideas even for YouTube videos. GPT-3, created by OpenAI, it's an autoregressive language model that uses deep learning to produce human-like text. All of the tools that we will be talking about today are based on it. GPT-3 is scary good at writing human-like texts, and combined with other technology it becomes even better. Jarvis AI has taken the GPT-3 and showed it 10% of the whole internet. Then they trained the AI for copywriting, generating ideas,
and then press generate. Instantly before your eyes, watch Jarvis write content for you.
or even writing text just like Joe Rogan speaks.
Hey Jarvis, write a paragraph about aliens in the tone of voice of Joe Rogan.
Jarvis AI can go ahead and generate as many ideas as you want in seconds. On top of that, it can do even more. The next step in the video creation process is script writing. Even now, numerous of AI softwares can do just that. All of them are based on GPT-3. However, at this stage, humans are still necessary to fact-check information and fix some mistakes, even though it has shortcomings. A review in Wired said that GPT-3 was provoking chills across Silicon Valley. Just think about it. Even now, in 2021, AI can write a script for your YouTube videos. Now that is scary. So we had our AI to generate an idea and write a script based on that idea. Now it's the next step, making a voiceover. It's not a secret that robot voices have been around for more than a decade, but when machine learning was introduced, the game changed. Human-sounding voices are available for everyone. Some of the voices are being used even in large companies.
The amazing ways YouTube uses artificial intelligence and machine learning.
As it's a lot cheaper than to hire a voiceover artist. In a few years, the voices will be so good and so cheap that humans will feel like they are wasting time making the voiceovers. That's a tricky one. Humans can understand ideas, concepts, and it's a lot easier for us to edit the video. For AI, it's a bit of a different story. Sure, in the near future, artificial intelligence will be able to create videos from scratch, but currently it's a bit too difficult. A few months ago there was a tool called Vidnami, which used stock footage and combined it with AI. That software had an ability to create videos based on the script you have written. In a few months' time there will be a better version of Vidnami, so we can argue that AI can make a video on its own. Seems easy. But the idea is that someone has to run the YouTube channel. Even simple code can go ahead and upload the video, but is that enough? YouTube asks its users to optimize the description, tags, and make a thumbnail. It's a complicated task. However, if someone wanted to train AI to do that, it would not be a problem. So where do we stand as humans? It seems like our time is ticking and we are getting outsmarted by AI one step at a time. Even large companies are using AI to generate their content or to help people who are creating it. Humans have one big problem, which is called bandwidth. We can only read, write, and understand so much per minute. AI can scrape internet at staggering speeds on any problem that comes up. However, AI cannot fact check yet, so we are kind of useful. What will we do when we cannot differentiate faces, voices, writings, which one is digital and which one is real? Or maybe the digital is the real one. All of the tools that we talked about today are left in the description. Leave a comment on your thoughts on AI.